Did you know that even if you get 8 hours of sleep a night, you might still feel exhausted? It's not just about the quantity of sleep, but also the quality. Today, we're going to explore the incredible power of sleep hypnosis and how it can help you recharge your energy on a deeper level. The key to feeling refreshed and energized lies in the quality of your sleep, particularly the deep sleep stage, also known as delta sleep. During this stage, your body repairs itself, your brain consolidates memories, and your energy levels are replenished. Unfortunately, many factors can disrupt the quality of your sleep, such as stress, anxiety, and unhealthy lifestyle habits. This is where sleep hypnosis can make a significant difference. Sleep hypnosis is a guided meditation technique that uses relaxation techniques and visualization to promote deep restorative sleep. By focusing on calming images and suggestions, your mind and body can enter a state of deep relaxation, allowing you to experience more restful sleep. With regular practice, sleep hypnosis can help you improve sleep quality, fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and experience more restful sleep. It can also reduce stress and anxiety, calming your mind and body, promoting relaxation, and reducing feelings of stress. Additionally, sleep hypnosis can increase energy levels, helping you wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. And it can improve mood and well-being, enhancing your overall sense of happiness and satisfaction. Ready to experience the transformative power of sleep hypnosis? Many of us struggle with sleep, whether it's insomnia, difficulty falling asleep, or waking up frequently throughout the night. These sleep disturbances can have a profound impact on our overall well-being, affecting our mood, energy levels, and even our physical health. Sleep challenges can have a significant impact on our overall well-being. When we're sleep deprived, we're more likely to experience mood swings and irritability. Lack of sleep can make us more prone to feeling anxious, depressed, and irritable. It also leads to reduced cognitive function, making it difficult to concentrate, remember things, and make decisions. Physically, it increases the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. And it impairs our immune system, making us more susceptible to illness. By addressing these common sleep challenges, you can improve your overall well-being and enjoy a better quality of life. In the next section, we'll explore some effective strategies for enhancing your sleep and overcoming sleep disturbances. Now that we understand the importance of sleep and the challenges many of us face, let's delve deeper into the science behind delta waves and sleep hypnosis. Delta waves are the brain waves associated with the deepest stage of sleep, known as NREM stage 3. During this stage, your body is completely relaxed, your heart rate and breathing are slow, and your brain is engaged in essential restorative processes. Sleep hypnosis works by guiding your mind and body into a state of deep relaxation, similar to the state you experience during natural sleep. This relaxation can help to reduce stress anxiety, and other factors that can interfere with sleep. When you're listening to a sleep hypnosis audio, the guided suggestions and calming imagery can help to slow down your brain waves and promote a transition from beta waves, which are associated with wakefulness, to delta waves. This shift in brainwave frequency can make it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. By promoting delta wave activity, sleep hypnosis can help you increase the duration of deep sleep, spend more time in the restorative NREM stage 3, reduce sleep disturbances, minimize awakenings during the night, improve sleep quality, experience more restful and rejuvenating sleep. In addition to its effects on brain waves, sleep hypnosis can also help to reduce stress and anxiety, which are common factors that can disrupt sleep. By calming your mind and body, sleep hypnosis can create a more conducive environment for restful sleep. In the next section, we'll explore some practical tips for using sleep hypnosis effectively and maximizing its benefits. Now find a comfortable position, either lying down or sitting upright. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with calm and peace. As you exhale, release any tension or stress. Imagine yourself in a peaceful meadow surrounded by lush greenery and a gentle breeze. The sun is shining warmly, casting long shadows on the ground. Feel the warmth of the sunlight on your skin as you lie comfortably on the soft grass. With each breath, feel your body becoming heavier and more relaxed. Your muscles are melting into the ground, sinking deeper and deeper into the earth. Let go of any thoughts or worries and simply allow yourself to drift into a state of deep relaxation. As you continue to relax, imagine your mind becoming calm and still. Like a clear lake reflecting the sky, your mind is now peaceful and serene. Let go of any racing thoughts or worries and allow your mind to simply be. As you relax deeper and deeper, you can feel your body entering a state of deep sleep. Delta waves are now washing over your brain, healing and rejuvenating your mind and body. Feel the warmth and energy of these waves flowing through you, replenishing your energy stores. With each breath, feel your energy levels rising. You are feeling more refreshed, more alert, and more ready to face the day. As you continue to relax, know that you will wake up feeling rested and rejuvenated. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Notice how you feel. Are you feeling more relaxed, more energized, and more at peace? Remember, you can return to this state of relaxation and rejuvenation whenever you need to recharge. Improve sleep quality. Sleep hypnosis can help you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and experience more restful sleep. Increased energy levels. By promoting deeper sleep and reducing sleep disturbances, sleep hypnosis can help you wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Reduce stress and anxiety. The relaxation techniques used in sleep hypnosis can help to calm your mind and body, reducing stress and promoting better sleep. Enhanced mood and well-being. Improved sleep quality can lead to a more positive mood, increased focus, and a better overall sense of well-being. Natural and drug-free approach. Sleep hypnosis offers a safe and effective way to improve sleep without relying on medications. Remember, While sleep hypnosis can be a valuable tool for improving sleep and energy levels, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional if you're experiencing chronic sleep problems or have underlying health conditions. I hope you found this guided sleep hypnosis session helpful and relaxing. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Please share your experiences in the comments below. Did you find this technique effective? What changes have you noticed in your sleep quality and energy levels? Remember, consistent practice is key to reaping the full benefits of sleep hypnosis. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and take care of you, or find someone who does.